tonight. The world holds its breath, anticipating the dawn's first light. A new day's fresh embrace. As darkness slowly fades away, the sky begins to change its shade. A soft glow spreads across the land, a promise of a brand new strand. The stars start to dim and